The Chapel of the Holy Cross is Sedona's top-ranked tourist attraction, bringing more than 3 million visitors a year. I have always been impressed at how well it blends with the surrounding red rocks. People often have difficulty spotting it, even though it is very obvious once you know where to look. In this panorama, the chapel is roughly in the center of the image, but still barely noticeable. The detail in this image is apparent when I zoom in on the chapel. This high resolution is the result of mounting the camera in a vertical position on a Pano Gimbal. I discussed the use of a Pano Gimbal at length in my book, Mastering Landscape Photography, so I will not repeat the details here. Just a short refresher. A Pano Gimbal facilitates pivoting your camera around the focal point of your lens. As a result, when the images are combined in Photoshop, they blend so well that minimal cropping of the image is required. It is a significant time saver and improves the overall image. The results are further improved by shooting with the camera in a vertical orientation. This results in more images and a higher resolution image. I used a 105mm focal length in this example because that was the longest lens I had at the time. Some landscape photographers use a focal length of 250mm or more. The images they produce will cover a wall at full size. The detail is amazing, so don't think small. If it is a cloudy day or lighting varies over the length of the panorama for some other reason, you need to control the exposure for even results. Take a shot at aperture priority in an area that is typical of the scene. Check that image playback to determine the shutter speed of that shot. Then switch to manual mode and set the shutter speed to that value while maintaining the aperture value and ISO. When the images are combined in Photoshop, you will have an evenly lit composite image. If you skip this step, you may end up with an image that looks like a bunch of panels next to each other, each with a different brightness. To learn more about landscape photography, check out my book, Mastering Landscape Photography. Everything seems simple once you have learned the secrets of the craft. Let's keep it simple.